Adjectives modify nouns, and verbs tell what nouns do. Now, that might sound kind of tricky to you because it sounds like you have two different types of words that are telling you things about nouns, and yeah, to some extent you do, but adjectives and verbs are actually very, very different things. Let's look at this example. The large dog ran away. Large is an adjective modifying dog, and ran is a verb that tells you what the dog is doing. The type of dog is that it's a large one. The action that it's doing is it's running away. Now, how can you tell them apart? Well, you're going to get the hang of it eventually, but here's some things to think about. Big thing, verbs can be in the past, they can be in the present, or they can be in the future. For example, he runs. That's happening right now. We call that the present. He ran. That means it happened before. It happened in the past. We call that the past tense. He will run. That means that's going to happen in the future. We call that the future tense. Verbs have tenses. They can be in the past, and the present, and the future. That's how you can recognize a verb. If a thing can happen in the future, or the past, or the present, it's a verb. Adjectives don't have tenses. For example, large is an adjective, but you don't say he will large or he larged. That doesn't make any sense. Learning to separate verbs and adjectives is really important, mostly because verbs are so important. The verb is the most important part of any sentence. In this worksheet, you're going to practice telling the difference between verbs and adjectives, and over time, you'll get the hang of it.